In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot to your Squarespace website with ease. This process might seem a bit technical, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step so you can integrate this exciting feature into your site effortlessly. To begin, head over to Elfsight App's website in your preferred browser. Once you're there, look for the Widgets section. You'll find it in the main navigation bar, which is an excellent starting point to explore various customization options for your site. From here in the search bar, type in AI Chatbot. This search will guide you directly to the resource you'll be using to set up your chatbot. You'll notice an option labeled AI Chatbot. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now you'll see a button that says Create Widget for Free. Select this to move forward in the customization process. You'll encounter several templates designed for different site purposes. Choose Continue with this template to keep the process simple and streamlined. Next, you'll be asked to type in your site's URL. This step is essential as it allows the platform to analyze and configure the widget appropriately for your website's needs. Once you've entered your link, click Analyze. This process might take a moment as it assesses your site's structure, but it's crucial for optimal chatbot performance. After the analysis is complete, you'll notice a prompt to Add to Website for Free. Go ahead and select this option. Following that, you'll be redirected to a publication page. Here, you'll need to click Publish to make your new widget live. The next page will present you with several subscription options. Go ahead and click on Select Under Free to use the complimentary version. Once you've completed that, you'll receive a short embed code. This code is vital, so click on Copy Code to get it ready for implementation on your Squarespace site. Now let's switch over to Squarespace. In your Squarespace dashboard, locate where you manage your pages and click on the ADD block button within your desired page section. From the block options, select the Embed block. Within this block, you'll click on Edit, which will open an editing window. Look for the Code Snippet option and ensure you select it. In the provided field, click Embed Data and proceed to paste the embed code you copied from Elfsight. Once you've pasted your code, all that's left is to click Save. This final step ensures your AI chatbot is successfully integrated and ready to engage with your visitors. By following these steps, you've set up an AI chatbot on your Squarespace website, enhancing visitor interaction in a modern, automated way. Congratulations on this integration, and enjoy the added functionality that comes with it.